Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful sorry card. To begin, selecting the right materials is crucial for conveying genuine remorse. Opt for a sturdy cardstock, perhaps in a calming shade like soft blue or muted gray, which can subtly communicate sincerity. Choose a fine-tipped pen for clear, legible writing, ensuring your message is easy to read. Thoughtful material choices set the foundation for a truly heartfelt apology, showing you put effort into your gesture. Next, focus on the card's design and layout. A simple, elegant approach is often best, allowing your heartfelt words to take center stage. Avoid overly busy patterns or excessive embellishments that might distract from your message. Leave plenty of blank space, perhaps 2/3 of the interior, for your handwritten apology. This thoughtful design ensures your sincerity shines through, making the card feel personal and genuine. Now, let's craft the most important part, your apology message. Be specific about what you are sorry for, avoiding vague statements. Clearly acknowledge the impact your actions had on the other person's feelings or situation. Express genuine remorse and, if appropriate, offer a sincere commitment to making things right or improving. Your words should be honest, vulnerable, and come from the heart, making the apology truly meaningful. Finally, add those personal touches that elevate your card. A small, meaningful detail, like referencing a shared memory or inside joke, can make your apology feel even more personal. Consider a subtle embellishment, perhaps a pressed flower or a simple, elegant ribbon, to show extra care. Present your finished card neatly in a clean envelope, ensuring a polished and respectful delivery. These small efforts demonstrate your deep sincerity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.